Here is the most accurate and updated web developer roadmap for 2025. If you're starting from zero or switching careers, this is exactly what you need to learn step by step without wasting months on things that don't matter anymore. Section 1. Foundations. Before anything else, you need the fundamentals. These are non-negotiable. 1. HTML. 2. CSS. 3. JavaScript. You don't need to master everything. You need to understand 1. How the web works. 2. DOM. 3. Responsive design. 4. Basic JavaScript logic. 5. Fetch/API calls. In 2025, beginners waste too much time on frameworks before learning basics. Don't do that. Basics first. Section 2. Front-end specialization. In 2025, the front-end world is clearer than ever. You only need one main framework, and the top choices are 1. React, still number 1 globally. 2. Next.js, the real production standard. 3. Vue, gaining popularity. But here's the truth. If your goal is to get hired or freelance work, learn React plus Next.js. Then learn Tailwind CSS, basic UI/UX, component architecture, state management, Zoostand or Redux toolkit, API integration, authentication, deployment, Vercel is easiest. After this, you're job-ready front-end developer. Section 3. Backend path. Backend is simpler than people think. Pick one language and one framework. Top options in 2025: 1. Node.js plus Express/Nest.js. 2. PHP Laravel, still extremely strong. 3. Python Django/Fast API. 4. Go, fastest growing backend choice. 5. Rust for system-level backend, advanced. If you're a beginner, Node.js or Laravel. If you want high performance, Go. If you want future scalability, Rust. But start later. Backend essentials: REST API, database design, authentication, caching, deployment, Docker, testing basics, CI/CD fundamentals. That's it. No need to learn 20 things. Section 4. Full stack. If you want to become a full stack developer, learn Next.js plus a backend. Next.js is perfect for bridging front-end and back-end. A recommended modern stack: 1. Next.js. 2. Node.js, Express/Nest. 3. PostgreSQL. 4. Prisma ORM. 5. auth.js. 6. Docker. 7. Deployment: Vercel plus render/fly.io. This stack gets you hired fast. Section 5. AI for developers. In 2025, developers who don't use AI are simply slower. Here's what you must integrate. 1. GitHub Copilot. 2. Cursor IDE. 3. Claude/ChatGPT for architecture. 4th. AI-generated tests. 5th. AI code review. 6th. AI bug fixing. 7th. AI project documentation. 8th. Artificial intelligence tutoring when learning new concepts. AI doesn't replace developers. AI replaces developers who refuse to use AI. Section 6. Projects. Projects matter more than certificates. Here are the top 5 portfolio projects for 2025. 1. Full authentication system. 2. Modern dashboard, admin panel. 3. Real-time chat or notifications. 4. E-commerce mini platform. 5. SaaS-style small product. Each project teaches different skills. If you follow this roadmap, you will become a job-ready developer, faster and smarter than 90% of beginners. Full resource list is in the description. Subscribe for daily developer content.